The next mobility warm-up is called hip circles. And you're going to do this from two different positions. The first position is going to be in the double rack position. And from here, you're simply going to be making very large circles with your hips, both clockwise and counterclockwise. So bring the kettlebells into your chest. And if you feel more comfortable, you can simply interlock your fingers, or you can keep your arms apart, whatever is more comfortable for you. So from here, you're going to come down and around, down and around, down and around. Exhale down, inhale, exhale, inhale. Change directions. You're feeling the stretch in your hips, the back side of your legs, and your lower back. Now you're going to do the same movement from an overhead extended position. So again, hip circles, but you have to fix your arms so that they stay in the same place. And change direction. So those are hip circles.